Alright, this is my water connection to city water. This piece was in front of it there. It's some water pressure regulator, but it's cracked. You can see here. Yeah, you can see here, crack. So you cannot make it really tight, and then it's leaking. So I said, okay, I had to replace it. I'm gonna go to Camping World, just buy another one. What it can be, $7, $10? Well, so I went down to Camping World in Henderson and got a replacement. Well, you can think now, what's the problem, buddy? Let me tell you. If it's just this, more. All this. And I have one receipt here for $38.94, let's say $40, and another one for $175 something. So that is $215 on a day when I didn't make any money. Yeah. Well, what did you buy, you say now? Let's see. So let me remind you, I just went for this, which was like, I don't know, $14, $24, I don't remember. And then you have discount as the valuable member, club member. Then, safety first. Got me one of this to protect my fancy equipment from surges and stuff. This was 60 some bucks. Or maybe even $80. Yep, $83 on sale. Then, while I'm over there, more safety, filter for water, whatever that is, 20 bucks or so. Then easy hook on or whatever, quick hose connector, You put it on your hose, plug it this part into your, RV connection, and then, okay, like magic. No more screwing left, right, just in and out. Easy connector. That was not much, 15 bucks, but one by one. Then I saw this. I had the leaf antenna which was in my window in my house. So this is stand for it. You just plug it there in this cut, and I can put even some glue up on the roof. So it's there. I'm not buying some whatever bullshit fancy antenna for the roof. Nope. I don't watch TV actually. I just watch my stuff. So this can be good. This was only $6, but it's good as a stand. Then it's on sale, 40% off. Spice rack. So I'm gonna replace that box with something more organized. I found this plate protectors. I have Corel dishes, so they don't break, they don't chip. But it's good to put it in between plates when you're traveling so it doesn't rattle. That was another $10, $11. So basically that pile was $175. So I paid, left the store, sit in my car, turned the key on, I remember, I need one more thing. So everybody's using it, and actually in most of RV parks I saw it's mandatory by state. So I needed Slunky. That's another $38. It was on sale, and I'm the member, in good standing with Sam. Good Sam. So $215 on a day when I didn't make a penny. I think I shouldn't leave the park, just sit here. Ha! Blue Gloves Day. You know what I'm talking about. No, it's nothing sexual. It's dealing with a black tank. And actually, I connected all my purchases. So you can see here, filter. It's something basic, not much. But probably something like in your refrigerator, and you drink that water. So I don't think, maybe it's still not drinkable, but you know, at least I'm doing something. And my new pressure thing, so there's no leak. It was leaking there. My power protector works fine, and you already probably saw Slunky. It's there in work. And the best purchase I ever made in my life, trust me, it's this thing. Quick connect, disconnect. You just pull and take it out. There's no more messing around. $214, but I'm impressed.